Hi, meteorologist TJ Del Santo with an update for you on this storm on the way for Monday and actually Tuesday. It may actually linger a little bit into Wednesday, but clearly the worst of it is on Monday. Hour by hour forecast showing that storm off the mid-Atlantic coastline slowly advancing north and east, impacting us by 6 a.m. in the morning with some light snow. And that's what we'll see in the morning is some light snow and some small accumulations. But notice during the afternoon, we've got a band of very heavy snow basically covering the entire area across Connecticut all the way out to Plymouth County, Massachusetts, and that sticks around for a little while, at least into the evening hours and especially inland, and that's going to pile up the snow quickly. We're talking about snowfall rates of 1, 2, maybe up to 3 inches an hour at times, and it'll be difficult for snowplows to keep up with that, so roadways could be treacherous, and at times travel could be almost impossible, especially when the winds are blowing the snow around as it falls, so something else to consider. Travel not recommended for Monday afternoon and into Monday evening. Now, eventually the heavier snow drifts away and we'll see some lighter precipitation arrive during late Monday night and into Tuesday morning. That's where we are Tuesday, light rain showers mixing with snow. All right, how much are we expecting? Generally 8 to 12 inches across Rhode Island, but you can see this big area of pink up here, 12 to 15 inches, Coventry, West Greenwich, into Foster, Gloucester, Burrowville, North Smithfield, Woonsocket, Smithfield, Situate, up into Cumberland. 12 to as much as 15 inches of snow is possible. Now, the rest of the area, generally 8 to 12 inches. Now, could you have some higher amounts in Taunton? Yes. In Providence, of course. But generally, 8 to 12 inches is expected, say, from Westerly to Narragansett, on over into Newport, North Kingstown, Warwick, Cranston, Providence, Pawtucket, Central Falls, East Providence, Barrington, Warren, Bristol, even into Tiverton and all of Aquidneck Island, Taunton, into Seacock, the Attleboroughs, Taunton, on over into Freetown, all 8 to 12 inches. 5 to 8 inches in New Bedford, that's what we're going with right now in South Coastal Mass. It's possible if the changeover to rain doesn't occur that 8 to 12 inches could be dragged down a little bit. So that's what we're looking at in terms of amounts on Monday. Heaviest of the snow in the afternoon could lead to difficult travel. Northeasterly winds could be gusting 35 to 50 miles an hour. Outages certainly are possible. We're expecting a wet snow, and that could certainly cause some tree limbs and power lines to sag and maybe snap. So outages possible, and the winds could cause some outages as well, especially near the south coast of Rhode Island and in eastern Massachusetts. The impacts also include some minor coastal flooding of eastern Massachusetts. So to kind of recap the timeline, snow developing 3 a.m. and continuing through the morning, light to moderate. Heavier snow mixing with rain a little bit at times along the south coast and eastern Massachusetts, noon to 9 p.m. Winds will be picking up as well. This is the time frame, noon to 9 p.m. I don't recommend being on the roadways. 9 p.m. into the daytime on Tuesday, lighter snow mixing with some rain, and that continues into Tuesday. So the traditional overnight forecast goes like this, expecting lots of clouds, some snow showers developing after midnight. Temperatures might tick up a little bit tonight. For your forecast for tonight, again, lows 24 with temperatures rising. Now tomorrow, we are expecting to see temperatures topping out upper 20s to lower 30s with snow heavy at times, especially in the afternoon, some strong winds, 15, 25 miles an hour from the northeast, but gusting 35 to 50 miles an hour. So obviously not a day to be traveling, especially in the afternoon and evening. Plan your day accordingly. Tuesday, some precip, but not quite as bad.